Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Diski One Way, where we talk all things football. Guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In today's news, man, we're gonna be talking all things Orlando Pirates. First on the news, my captain Innocent Maela might not renew his contract come end of the season because iyaphela no last June. So it doesn't look like he's gonna renew the Orlando Pirates. But then the good news is that according to Amasoso Amamnandi is that Orlando Pirates offered him a job within the Orlando Pirates. So he might not play there, but Zawani Span usazotesha ne Orlando Pirates. So ningathi angitshela ngubhizi wena come next season ufunana nomayelo lokuyampopora akekho akatholakali uthi mina ngikutshelanga he might not renew. Yes, moving right along. In other news, we all know that the Orlando Pirates coach Jose Rivero is set to leave the Orlando Pirates come end of the season. Now, according to Kick-Off, is that the North African Giants, Al Ahly, they're busy negotiating with them to come and join them come next season. So, ungathe angogayanga iplug. Al Ahly busy no Jose Rivero ba busy bayamtafula bo my friend ba busy bayamshasha bafuna zoba coacha come next season. So please comment and let me know how do you feel about that. Yes, moving right along. In other news, seeing that the June transfer window is coming soon, a lot of teams like Orlando Pirates are already negotiating with other teams. So according to Amasoso means that right now Orlando Pirates are negotiating with Richards Bay for the 23-year-old forward Uyanele Mbutuma. Mnandu no shugela striker fere batho mtabula maneti naye. So according to Amasoso means that Orlando Pirates are busy they negotiating a deal with Richards Bay. So ungathanga ukuplaga ngamasobona Uyanela Mbutuma playing for Orlando Pirates come next season. Yes, moving right along. In other news, we are getting closer and closer to the transfer window Ayaga June, and like I said, most of the teams are very, very busy. They are negotiating with players. For instance, Patrick Masangwa is one player who's also in the negotiating list. Former team yakhe yasePortugal UD Oliver Rens nayo iyamfuna. He's a wanted man by the Portuguese side. Orlando Pirates, according to Kick-Off, Orlando Pirates, they wanna put 40 million rands up for bids for ukuthi bathole Patrick Maswangayo. So please comment and let me know how do you feel about that. Should Patrick Maswangayo leave Orlando Pirates and go back and play a Europe? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bafethu, thank you so much.